Bojack Attack, FightOn52. Three. Which Bowman are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about. What sport? Bowman Chrome Baseball? $15 certified, you got it. Sounds good. I was getting confused, man. They got tons of Bowman over there. Different Bowman drafts, Asia edition, Chromes. Base, Michael Bisping. 1 of 1. Congratulations. Didn't he just beat somebody up the other night? Didn't he take the championship belt from somebody the other night? Michael Bisping, 1 of 1. Very first pack. You want to toss the rest of these in the trash? Just kidding. And base. That's a wrap for this break. Yankee. And base. We'll check out all your serial numbers at the end. Johnny Case. Hina. And base. Chris Weidman, relic autograph. I don't see a number on that one. If the ump had it coming, what does that mean?
I don't know, I'm waiting to see.
Hang on 1 second. Oh, he moved out of the way and let it hit him. Right in the face mask. Yeah, she called the play to have the catcher move so she could hit the ump in the face. Chris Levin. If I was that ump, I would have walked out there and started swinging. I would have charged the mound. The umps are supposed to hold the players back. The ump charges the mound.
15-year-old.
Yup. Got another one of these. Oh, Chris again. There's Rhonda. Help me, Rhonda. Alright. Felice Herrig. jersey. Climbing the ranks, John Dodson. Here's a 2 of 8, Max Holloway. We'll check it out shortly. Joe Lauzon. Anderson Silva, another 1 of 1. Same box. You got 2 in the same box. Dice rolled right for once. Alexis Davis. Relic card. Yoel Romero. Ronda again. Plus. And base. Okay. Here are your numbered cards. Well, Mirko, Hennen Burrell. Everything's every which way. Matt Brown. The golds are numbered to 88. Tony Ferguson. We had an 8 in here, didn't we? Oh yeah, it's coming up. Keith. Max Holloway. The red is number 8. Travis Brown, Hunt, and St. Pierre versus Shields. So those are all your numbereds to 288, 88, or that 8. Now we have Alexis Davis, Matt Relic. I'm not sure how you say her name. Gaudella versus Latamaki. Anyway, that was one of your 1 of 1s. 1 of 1 there. Felice Herrig. Chris Weidman relic autograph. Johnny Case. And Michael Bisping 1 of 1 autograph. So 2 1 of 1s in there. Show it to YouTube. There we go. That'll do it. Appreciate it. FightOn52.